Coming Wednesdays to the WB. What if the crime fighter and the criminal shared a secret?
I found out more than just my father's identity. He didn't even know he had a kid.
It's been a generation since Gotham had a hero.
There's something going on in the city after the sun goes down.
Now a city in need of a new legend is about to get three.
Might be good for me to go kick some ass.
You hear the same stories I do. Things we can't even begin to explain. Freaks, weirdos, urban myths. Freeze! Why don't you carry any weapons?
I am the weapon.
The WB presents Birds of Prey.